I had adjustment status following a K1 entry visa. Interview was very awesome, and I received my IR1 green card instead of a CR1 green card. Since my marriage is just 14 months, what do I do? Okay, this is great. So Mike, I'm glad about your question because this is similar to the issue that the other person had where at citizenship, they denied the case because they said they filed it incorrectly. So just because USCIS makes a mistake on your case doesn't mean you can benefit on it in many cases. So here, a person got a 10-year green card when they're supposed to get a 2-year green card. The reason why they give a 2-year green card in this marriage case is because they want to see that after getting the green card, they want them to apply for another application of 2 years to then show that they're still married and the marriage wasn't a fake marriage or something like that. And so the difference between getting a 2-year green, 10-year green card is based on the fact that what was the date you got married and what was the date that your green card was issued. If this time span between those two dates is less than 2 years, you get a 2-year green card. If it's more than 2 years, you get a 10-year green card. Here, they made a mistake and issued a 10-year green card when they should have issued a 2-year green card. So you have to notify USCIS, file an I-90 to have them reissue a new green card. So you got to submit Form I-90. Now, there's a strategy to this. I suggest consulting, set up a consultation in private so we go over some stuff because you're going to be without a green card for a while, and that's going to be annoying because they're going to want you to send the green card back. Contact my office, we schedule a consultation, we'll talk about it and take it from there. But you'll need to get a new green card, or at the very least, if you keep this one, remember to file the removal of conditions from I-751 on the proper date so that what would have been a 2-year green card doesn't get expired and doesn't mess you up. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. We have a second channel with much more information as well at JQK Immigration Clips. Please check that out. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.